In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Coda with Notion, focusing on how to import and sync data from one platform to the other. Seamlessly integrating these powerful apps can greatly enhance your productivity, allowing you to streamline your workflows and access your data more effortlessly. Let's dive into the steps. Firstly, you'll want to open your Notion workspace. In the top corner, you'll find the Settings option. Click on it and head over to the Settings and Members section. This is where we'll begin the export process. Once you're there, you'll see an option labeled Export All Workspace Content. Selecting this will generate an exportable file of your entire setup in Notion. Remember, exporting all your content ensures nothing is left behind, making the transition to Coda smooth and comprehensive. After you've opted to export, a pop-up will appear asking you to choose the format for your export. Make sure to select HTML from the available options. HTML is preferred as it maintains the structure and design of your Notion pages, making them easier to read and process once they are imported into Coda. Additionally, in this step, you'll need to check the box for Include Subpages. Doing so will ensure that all nested pages within your main documents, such as linked tables or embedded images, are included in the export. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity and completeness of your data. Once your options are set, proceed by clicking the Export button. This will trigger the download of a .zip file containing all your Notion data in the specified format. The file itself is compressed, which makes it easier to handle and ensures a faster download, especially if you have a large number of documents and attachments. After downloading the .zip file, navigate to your Coda workspace. In Coda, begin by creating a new document or selecting an existing one where you'd like to import your Notion data. Open the file manager in Coda, and then either drag and drop the zip file directly into the workspace or use the import option to select the file from your system. Coda will automatically recognize and unpack the zip contents, importing your documents and recreating them in this new environment. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully migrate your Notion data into Coda, allowing them to be integrated into your current projects or maintained as standalone resources. Remember, both Coda and Notion are highly customizable, so take the time to adjust any settings or layouts to ensure they align with your personal or team workflows. Thank you